Next, we'll be looking at enhanced warehouse transfers, optimizing logistics with multiple unit support. So simplified inventory management and support for multiple units. So let's see how this works out. Let's go to settings and let's see the different warehouses that we have. We have two warehouses. One is a default warehouse and Madeline warehouse, and we can work out between these two warehouses. Before that, let me just create a new item. Okay, I'm gonna name it as Crompton Galaxy Decoration Fairy Light. Let me add meter as the unit. Let me keep 5% GST for that. Fine, everything is good. So 40 for a meter. I'm gonna sell it at 89. Let's save it. Okay, here it is. So the basic unit is meter. I'm gonna add another unit here. The unit name will be roll. The conversion factor will be one roll is equal to, let's say, 5 meters, and the unit price, let's keep it at 420 and save. So we have multiple units here, and if I want to like initially, if I want to do some warehouse transfers, I'll already be able to do it in a base unit, not in any other units. Right now, I'll be able to, yes. Crompton, let me just purchase 50 meters worth. Yes, I'm going to save it. So sales price, cost price, everything is here. Stock details, yes. Remaining quantity is 50. Right now, I just want to show one more thing. Yes. So in the default warehouse, you have 50, and in Madeline warehouse, you have 0. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm gonna go back to this inventory page and let me just search for the item. Here it is. Available 50. See, default 50, and Madeline warehouse, we have 0. Let me just do a warehouse transfer. Yeah, this will be the date from default to Madeline warehouse, Crompton. So here we have the base unit, right? 5 meters. So the new update, we have a drop down. We can select either it is in your additional unit or the alternative unit that you have provided, or you can simply set in the base unit or the default unit itself. So this will be the transfer. 5 meters, it's going to be save. Let me just reload this. Again, we have 50 available, but 45 in your default warehouse, and in Madeline warehouse, you have 5. Okay, so this warehouse transfer was successful. Again, I can create another warehouse transfer. This time I'm going to use a different unit. Let me just select roles. And so we have one role is equal to 5 meters, right? And again, I'm going to select the quantity as 5. So total, in reality, it is going to be 25 meters. So at the very end, if you look at the available quantity, it's going to be 50. And right now we have 45 in default. So there will be a 25, which will be subtracted from that. You will be having 20 there. And in Madeline warehouse, there will be 30. This is what's going to happen, even though you've given the quantity as 5. So you click on save and return back and you check it. Yes. So in default, you have 20, and in Madeline, you have 30. So right now we have provided the functionality to create warehouse transfers in all the different units that you have associated with that particular item. Great, isn't it? So this is the way in which warehouse transfers works, basically with multiple units supported.